Greetings and welcome. This is Psychic Medium Roberto, and I truly hope you're doing well today. Trigger warning: the subject matter is of a mature nature and deals with true crime events. Disclaimer: all cases are treated as alleged until proven in a court of law. So I'm going to be looking at the curious case of Heath Ledger. And I've actually had this idea to do the show for quite a while. I think the time is right now. So I'm going to look at three significant dates. The first date is of his passing, January the 22nd, 2008. And then I'm going to look at the release date of the movie, Dark Knight. And then I'm going to look at the Oscars evening when the ceremony was held. So we're going to start with the day that he passed, and we'll note the day is the 22-4, and another power number is the 33-6. And of course, we also have the ominous 15-6, which tells me someone else was also on the scene. Curious that the night of the Oscars is also 22-4. So I think in this case, I'm going to have a look first leading up to January the 22nd. And let's see what we get here. Oh, I'm feeling like there's a little bit of a dread around this episode, I must admit. 22-4 again. 32-5. That's breaking up the group there. 14-5 foul play, ladies and gentlemen. Because according to reports, he was discovered on this day, right? 14-5, yeah. Foul play is in the air. We have the grand master plan. Right, let's include the other day so we can start getting a picture. There's quite a bit of negative vibes going on here. Now, I didn't delve too much into recently, but when I was looking at this actually last year, I know there was a lot of boozing and partying going on, and to give context, let's just finish this here. He had just finished filming the Dark Knight. It's probably about 2 months after when this happened. Let's see. So I've already got my spirit warning image, not to go too personal. It's just been shown to me again, because when I drew out this 22-20 with an outcome 2, there's something going on here. And January the 19th, we've got triple 10 ones here. Huh? Now, in the bit of literature that I did read when I first looked at this case, There was obviously, it's also documented there's a lot of chemicals in his body. He had consumed numerous high-level medicines. Now, when I heard that again now, where I read the current Wikipedia situation, it always just strikes me odd that you have all these different types of chemicals, but the one, I'm just thinking out loud, I haven't proven this, but it just struck me, what other chemicals were hidden within those chemicals, and were they traceable? Because the sixth outcome here on the January the 22nd, 2008, is a 6, which does allude to poison. Now, we can all agree that if anyone puts that amount of chemicals in their body is at risk. However, the day before, we have this nasty 21-3. We have which is like held against your will. 22-4, the plan. And 14-5. This is not good. Alright, I just want to get a clearer picture here, because what I'm seeing here doesn't look good. Or let's put it this way. It doesn't look natural. 24-6, familiarity. This is 0 here. (24-6) familiarity. 34-7 is not good, yeah. 34-7 is a death that can be made to look like medical. If I'm not mistaken, and I stand to be corrected, I must have a look, but it could be what we saw in the Boeing case. 24-6 again. This number bugs me. 25-7 bothers me, because so far 25-7 is close contact, huh? It's close contact deaths. The person is right there, and they don't have to be doing violent things to you. They could just drop a pill in your drink. But this person's right here. 15-6 is on the scene. There's one indication. Another indication, 25-7. In the group, 24-7 handlers. The big sacrifice. We have that 33-6 on January the 22nd. They love these numbers. The big sacrifice. What? 26-8, ladies and gentlemen. 36-9, murder. 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 18-9, murder. 26-8, staging. So I will just say, I do believe he did pass. This 25-7 is, they're bugging me. This is close contact stuff. Handled. 36-9, murder. And this is, you can say, sacrificial murder. Getting cold chills over my body over these people. And you know, the 23-5 also speaks, it's like in the periphery, in the circle. Alright, so let's look at the, I believe we're going to match some numbers here. So let's just have a look here. July 18th, 2008 is when Dark Knight is released. Let's go here. I'm just going to jump ahead just quickly. So July 18, we've already got the 18-9. Sorry. We've already got the 18-9. And that pings here. Oh my goodness. Some of those popcorn seeds are becoming bitter seeds. $25.7 hidden. $25.7 hidden. There's a present here, present on the day here. So they're celebrating a hidden death. He's pinging on me. I suspect Heath Ledger can detect my angst by what I'm discovering. It's like almost nothing new, but you know when you see it in the real, as it were. 25-7, 25-7. 26-8. 26-8. 26-8. crazier. We note the 35-8 on this day as well. And we note the 35-8 within the reflection zone. That's the reflection zone. 17-8. Looks like this bingo card is almost full. The 10 ones, of course, same year, but no coincidences here. Now this 16-7 year, let's just go in here a bit, beg your pardon. So this is the film release date, right? 16-7 is also the sacrificial number if you're looking at it from that perspective. Big stories being told on July the 18th, eh? Big stories being told. There's the 1910 once again. 26-8's hidden. And we know what it was, because he has it reflected here in the open. It was the death, staged death of Heath Ledger. $36.9 yeah as well. 27.9. 18.9. I'm just like, personally, I'm too even nervous to go look psychically, you know what I mean? That's the vibe I'm picking up here. That's the vibe I'm picking up here. $37.10.1, ladies and gentlemen. Never far from the scene of a sacrificial lamb. More 10 ones. All for the greater good. The energy is thicker. The energy I'm feeling is very thick. I'm trying to break through here. But there's quite a bit of resistance. But There's a lot going on here. Lots of energies going on here, ladies and gentlemen. I must tell you, it's quite bizarre, but also unsurprising, right? So we've got a lot of reflections going on here. A lot of reflections going on here. And we'll note the outcome of July the 18th is the same as the Oscar evening. Same as the Oscar evening. The ceremony. And (24/6). We said there's the 24/6. There's the Grand Master Plan. The Grand Master Plan. All lined up together. (24/6) familiarity. The big stage performance. Coincidence or not? Something's telling me to go on here. Or I'm being led to go on. 23. I'm just flabbergasted. But are we surprised? 25/7, ladies and gentlemen. 36/9. Some would go, no way. No way. There's no coincidences here, ladies and gentlemen. No coincidences here. This bingo card can be taken to Hollywood and put on their doorstep. Amen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. There are no coincidences in Hollywood. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me know what your thoughts and comments are. If you have any other suggestions of famous deaths that we should look at, then please let me know. Otherwise, please stay safe, stay alert, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.